Hep sharo bundesha da ke jimia tangulu a dauda senesi do ko hin jinyi ko ofwa yama fu bandiji
They mean one of the gender
jabu safa
na the gender champion.
So ida ke ji bangi mi ande ju ana he
Oh, Bangi.
da ke puji klungo ana ke
We don't go investigate. We don't go the pikin to the I don't know how to call her. To the Bodo society woman. I don't go watch the pikin. Will be the EV video but the phone and nowhere normal. Me na one of the gender champion why they talk now. Me go into the issue. The man don't investigate and me and that my brother dey. The pikin baby I don't investigate and the pikin say the man call her this something then go inside in veranda room. Now they put the draw spanner. A well in chomper in backside there back if the sex about two to in woman part. Yeah, so I watch they will see the victim. The man baby I don't investigate him. The man baby don't say na in tamper with the pikin. Yes. With in confidence he say na him be penetrate the pikin. Yes, but he say not spam panel. Yes, he say not spam panel. The pikin as I dey talk now so in backside always is all turn about. So they go right now na the police station because I don't call na the office pujan. I don't call the director of children affairs when I born this street. I don't call am but I no able get line. I don't call na pujan Mrs. Flo Sadi when na the pujan where they head the headquarter of children affairs. I don't call her. I don't refer. Right now they call the line manager. The line manager knows so we go even meet an Amadina. So they go the man right on Amadina. Me where they talk na Paul Mustafa Kama. The man so now, the man wanna the victory. Now Dauda Senesi.
Ndio da ke na tabia pepe problem ya naye